These lights turn on automatically without touching a switch. Set of 6, I'm installing them in a second and completely customizable with a number of available options. Night mode detects motion when it's a darker environment. Day mode just picks up motion at all when it's signaled, and you can have it on as well. Here's a view of that sensor. Detects motion about 120 degrees up to 15 feet away. 5800, 4200, or a warm 3200 depending on the other lights in your room. I really like the natural light at the 4200. Long hold that same button to change the brightness. A few other things that caught my attention. Each one has 48 bright, efficient lights, and you can really use them anywhere in the house, but you can stick them on. They recharge instead of using batteries, so they're USB-C chargeable, and you never have to fumble for a switch again. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually pretty surprised you didn't need any tools to install them because they come with magnetic attachments on the back. So you simply remove them. It's got a pretty serious, like 3M style, double-sided sticky that sticks to whatever surface, and then both ends of the light magnetically attached to that. You can take it off and just reattach them again. The magnet seems pretty solid to me. But honestly, the most important part, rechargeable motion sensor cabinet lights. They solve the problem of dark cabinets at nighttime and just getting around. No complicated wiring, automatic on and off, hands-free lighting, and it really did take me seconds to install and change. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.